a lot of viewers who have watched the channel for a while are bound to remember me mate Mick, and he had his dog, the German Wirehead Pointer Stig. Sadly he lost Stig and he's just getting another dog, another Wirehead Pointer. I've been and took a little bit of film of it. It's a much sort of different, he looks the same but he's a different nature dog. He's very, very quiet and placid. I'll show a little bit of film of him, and I'm hoping to put just a few minutes on each week and sort of watch them grow up together. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the little bit of the new dog. His name's called Roy. One of Mick's friend's dad died recently and he was called Roy, so he's named the dog after Roy. Yeah, Roy. Ready? Ready? Go. Fetch him, Roy. Go on. I mentioned a while ago that I'd bought a small camper van for me and the wife to use at steam rallies. I actually did a video of my friend Carl putting a timing belt on it. Once the car's loaded up with all its weight, and especially two big steam engines, the back suspension's riding low. So I'm going to make a couple of 40mm riser blocks out of this bit of plastic bar to lift the back springs up 40mm. I've got it mounted in a 4-jaw chuck in the centre just to cut 2 bits off to do the job with. Just going to square that end up, measure how much I need, part it off, and then I'll go about machining them. I'm not sure what sort of bar this is. It's the sort of bar you get given. In fact, the viewer sent it in for us, and I have used it for 1 or 2 different bits and pieces. Right, so I'm going to measure along there, part it off, or part most of the way through, then the other one, then again put them in the chuck and machine them. Put a 0 there. Right, so I want a 40mm lift. That's 40mm. Then it's 15mm recess on one end and a 15mm spigot on the other end. That's another 30. I'll put them at 70mm. That should give us enough. Right, we'll put a parting tool in so I can cut that off. So I don't want to go all the way through. I'm just going to carry on using the 4-jaw chuck because that's what's on the lathe. Not a million mile away. It's not that critical because it is just a spring spacer. That'll do for John.
Finish on that. It's that round button tool. I really like it for machining aluminium and plastic. Right, I've got to check my sizes now, but I'm sure it's a 43mm diameter boss. It is indeed a 43. Old-fashioned audio tape that. Tell you what it is. That's not a bad guess, is it? 44.18 now on 43. I wanted it 15mm deep. That's the profile I want in there as well. So 1mm off that, and that should be good to go. I think I've actually left a bit too much material on here. Not a worry. We want 40 from that. See, of course I've added 15 on for the spigot, but I've also added 15 on for the inset, where really the 15 should have been removed. That's why there's too much material there. I might part it off as a ring, I might just waste it, I'm not quite sure. We want 40mm. I might as well part it off and then I can keep it to make something else out of it. It seems a shame to waste it. sure you've got plenty of clearance. It's a good habit to get into. Again, we want 43mm. 36. Right, 43, now we'll go down to depth of 20 on this one. 0. Yeah. Just about there. $20mm. Value of 43, spot on. Okay, that's one done. I was going to use aluminium, plastic will do the job just as well. It's considerably cheaper.
Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It is important, it makes quite a big difference. I'm getting very near to 100,000 subscribers, but I'm also getting very near to 500 nightcaps. And you think there's normally 2 each week, that's 1,000 nightcaps I've done. I'm not quite sure what to do for the 500th version. Open offers, I suppose, but I really hope I'm sitting here again after doing 1,000 nightcaps. Anyway, thanks for watching.